In this video, let me start from the question number 12. Find the quotient and the remainder if any even. So in that again we are having three more sub questions, and after division we have to do the verification for the answers here. Okay. Question number 1. Divide a cube minus 5a square plus 8a plus 15. This we have to divide by a plus 1 here. Okay, so first I'll write a cube here, which is the first term of this polynomial, and I'll write here a, which is the first term of this polynomial. Here I'm going to mention a capital A, because when I'm going to multiply a with the sum number, and that sum number I don't know, that I have mentioned here capital A here. After multiplication I must get as a cube here. So to find out the a value here, I'm shifting a to the right side. So when I'll shift, it will become in the form of division. Okay, now here nothing it is there, means there will be power 1 and both bases are same. So this a I'll be shifting to the numerator. So when I'll shift, it will become minus 1. Now when the bases are same, we will add the powers, right? Now for the further calculation, I'll open the brackets, plus minus minus 1. Now we need to do subtract 3 minus 1, I'll get 2. So a square we found, and a square we have to write in the quotient place, a square. Now we will start multiplying a square with the each term of this one. Okay, now a square into a, I'll get a cube, plus into minus minus a into 1, I'll get simply a square. Again nothing it is there, means there will be 1 here. Now here what we need to do, we need to subtract. So in the subtraction, second polynomial's terms signs it will get changed, like minus 2 plus, and here plus 2 minus. Now plus a cube minus a cube, we can do the subtract here, and we will get the 0 here. Now here it is minus and here it is plus, that is unlike sign. So what we need to do, we need to subtract. Okay, now see here, sorry, this is plus into plus, that is plus only. Okay, now when I'll change it, it will become minus. So we are having here unlike signs. So if it is, no sorry, this is like signs, minus minus. So when we are having like signs, so we need to add 5 plus 1, I'll get 6, and the variable we are having a square and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. Now let me bring plus 8a and plus 15. Okay, now as we did here, the same way we have to do for the minus 6a square here. Minus 6a square, and again the first term a into capital A equals to minus 6a square. Now to calculate the a, I am shifting a to right side. Now here 2a and here it is 1a. If I cancel 1a is left here. So we got a value minus 6a. Okay, now I am going to write here, that is minus 6a. Again start multiplying, minus plus minus here 6, again nothing it is there, means there will be 1. Okay, 1 into 6, I'll get 6, a into a, that is a square. Now minus plus minus 6 into 1, 6, and a we are having here. Again we have to change the sign, minus 2 plus, and here minus 2 plus. Now minus 6a square plus 6a square, unlike sign, so it will get subtract here, and we will get the remainder 0 here. Now here it is 8a, here it is plus 6a, again like sign, so we need to add 8 plus 6 is 10, 14, 14a, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, plus 15. Let me take down. Now we need to calculate both for the 14a, and I'll write a into a, the way how we did the same way. Okay, a equals to 14a by a. Now this a get cancelled, so a value we will get, that is 14. So 14, that is plus 14, that we need to write here. Okay, okay, 14 into a, that is 14a, plus, that is plus. Okay, here we are having 1 into 14, I'll get 14 here. Now we need to subtract. Again the signs it will get changed, plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus here. Again it will get subtract here, plus 15 and minus 14. After subtraction we will get 1, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. So here quotient is a square minus 6a plus 14, and the remainder we found, that is 1 here. Now for this we will do the verification here. And here for verification, we have to multiply divisor with the quotient, and to the product we need to add the remainder. After doing this all calculation, we will get the answer as a dividend here. Okay, so that is dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder here, and I will substitute the values what we found here. Now let me start multiplying the term of this polynomial with the each term of this polynomial here first. Okay, now a square into a, I'll get a cube, and here it is plus sign, a square plus 1, that I'll get a square. Now let me go to the second term, minus 6a square and plus minus minus 6a. Okay, for the third term now. 14 into a, I'll get 14a plus 14. And here we are having plus 1. Okay. Now a cube we are having only one term, and here it is a square, and it is unlike sign, so we need to subtract. After subtraction, I'll get 5a square, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign here. Now see here, minus 6a plus 14a. So we need to do subtract. After subtraction, I'll get 8a, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. 14 plus 1 is 15. Yes, this was what we have the dividend. So hence what we have done division, that is correct here. Okay. Question number 2 here. 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 7 divided by x minus 3 here. Now in this polynomial, I'm going to consider 3x raised to the power 4 and here x. Now when I'm multiplying this x by some number, that number I don't know, that's why I've considered here capital A. After multiplication of these two, I must get a 3 into x raised to the power 4. Now to calculate this a value, I'm shifting x to the right side. So when I'll shift, it will become in the form of division here. See here, now here I'm having 4x and here it is 1x. So if I cancel 1x, how many x it will leave in the numerator? That is x cube. So 3x leaves, that is x cube. Now this 3x cube I'll be writing in the quotient place here. Now we have to multiply this with the each term of this polynomial here. 3 into 1, 3 and x cube. Okay. Now here minus we are sign having 6, 3 3 is a 9x cube. Now here what we need to do, we need to subtraction. In the subtraction, this term signs it will get changed, minus 2 plus, and here plus 2 minus. Now 3x4 and minus 3x, this must be 4, this is okay. It will get subtract here, so we will get the remainder 0 here. Now here we are having here like signs, that is we need to add. So 9 plus 6, I'll get 10, 15x cube here. Okay. Now I'll bring these terms down. Minus 6x square plus 2x minus 7 here. Now I'm going to do further now 15x cube. The same thing what we did here. We have to continue the same thing. Now again 15x cube by x here. Now again here we left with the x square. Okay. Now this 15x square I'll be writing here. Okay. That is 15 plus 15x square plus into plus only 15 into 1 15 and x square into x, that is I'll get x cube plus minus 15 3s I'll be having, that is 45 x square. Now again we need to subtract here, and the signs it will get changed, plus 2 minus 2 plus here. Now it will get subtract here. Now here we are, this is 45, right? 15 3s are 45 here. Now here it is, these terms are having unlike signs, so we need to subtract. Okay, that is 45 minus 6. 15 minus 6, I'll be having 9 and it will become 3, right? So 39 we will found after subtraction, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. Okay, now x square. Now let me bring the next terms down, that is 2x minus 7 here. Now the same way what we did here, the same way we have to find for the 39x square here. Okay, x into a equals to 39x square, a equals to 39x square by x. Again 1x get cancelled from the numerator, what left? 39x, and this is plus 39x here. Okay, now we have to write here plus 39x. Again start multiplying here. 39x into x, I'll get 39x square minus plus minus here. Now we need to multiply 39 into 3, I'll get 117x, that is okay. Now here as usual we have to do subtract here. Signs it will get changed, minus 2 plus here. It will get subtract here. Now 2 plus 117 having the like sign, so we get 119, and here it is variable x and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, so minus 7. Now we have to do for the 119 here. 119x, again the same thing what I have done. A equals to 119 x by x. X get cancelled, so what left here? Only 119. So that is plus 119. That I'll be writing here. Plus 119 here. 119 into x I'll be having, that is 119x plus minus minus, and 119 into 3 when I'll multiply I'll get, that is 357 here. Okay, we need to subtract plus 2 minus 2 plus here. Again subtraction, we will get 0 here. Here we are having 357 minus 7. Okay, because this is unlike sign, so we need to subtract. After subtraction, I'll be having 350 as the answer here. So we found the remainder as the 350 here. Now for the verification, what we need to do, we need to multiply divisor with the quotient, and to this product we need to add the remainder. So then we will get the dividend as the answer here. Okay, verification, just I'm replaced in the place of quotient divisor here. Okay, so it will not affect the answer here. Now let's start multiplying this term with the each term of this, and once I done, I have to go with the minus 3. Now x into 3x cube, I'll get 3x raised to the power 4. Next plus 15x cube, I'm multiplying, okay, plus 39x square, and here x into plus 119, I'll get 119x. Now we will go to the minus 3 now. Minus 3 plus 3, that is 9. 3 3 is a 9, and x cube minus plus minus 15 3 is, I'll be having 45 and x square. Okay, now minus plus minus 3 into 39, I'll be having 117, and here it is x. Now next minus plus minus 119 into 3, I'll be having, that is 357. Okay, and the remainder we are having, that is 350. I'll just adjust itself here, only 350. Okay, now x raised to the power, we are having only one term, so let me write as it is 3x raised to the power 4, and here I'm having x cube, here I'm having x cube, and these terms having the unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 15 minus 9, I'll get, that is 6x cube. Okay, 6x cube, and the bigger number carrying positive sign. Okay, once I finish, let me make a circle so we will not get a confusion. Next, here it is x square, here it is x square, and having the unlike signs of this term, so we need to subtract. 145 minus 39, I'll be getting, that is, this is not 145, this is simply 45. Okay, so 45 minus 39, I'll be having, that is 6x square, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. Okay, let me make a circle here. Next one, we are having here x, and here it is x, and it is having the unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 9 minus 7, I'll be having 2, 1 1 1 1 0, that is, okay, x, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign here. Now we need to subtract here, like 357 minus 350, I'll be having a 7, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. So this is what the dividend we have. 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 7. So we found the correct answer. Hence what we have done the division here, no, that is correct here.